Hi students, we are going to start chapter number 2 for the Advanced Civil 3D Complete course. It's chapter number 2 about survey. We already discussed about survey database. In this chapter we will explore them. The Autodesk AutoCAD Civil 3D software support a collaborative workflow in many aspects of the design process, but especially in the survey realm. Accurate data starts outdoor. A survey that has been consistently and correctly coded in the field can save hours of the drafting times. Surveyor can collect line information for such things as soils, curves, or even pavement markings and communicate this digitally to data collectors. So Civil 3D can often eliminate the need of third-party survey software because it can download and process survey data directly from the data collector to enter data in a manner that is easily digested by Civil 3D. So we will explore about these methods which you can use to collect the data in survey field and how can you digitize them to save your time using these survey database in Civil 3D. If you have not here survey tab, you can switch on and off from the palette and you will see here survey, then you can see all survey database tools here. What we will learn in this chapter, we will properly learn about collecting data field and how to import them into Civil 3D. We will set up description keys and figure database, and we will translate survey from assumed coordinates to known coordinates, and we will also perform reverse analysis, which is really important for surveyors. So stay tuned for the